To seal the edges of your sculptural letter, you will need to apply a generous layer of papier-mâché construction paper. We are using Elmer's Art Paste. This is just a powdered glue mixed with water. To begin, your table will need at least one container of the papier-mâché paste, and you will need plenty of the one color of construction paper you wish to use as your background color. Tear off the straight edges and throw them away. Then you're going to tear pieces of the inside area of the construction paper. For the purpose of this assignment, tear pieces that are no larger than the palm of your hand or the size of your fist when you ball it up into a fist. You can tear strips of paper as well and then break those down into smaller pieces. When beginning to apply the paper, dip your fingers into the papier-mâché paste and then smooth it over the construction paper. Work on the edges first and carefully press the paper around the corners so that you form a nice edge. Work on one side of your letter at a time, but by the end of today's class, make it a goal to finish covering the entire letter with the papier-mâché papers. You will put the papers inside any holes of your letter and on the back side as well. Watch how I'm starting in one section on the top of my letter and then I'm expanding outward from there. Each time you place on a new piece of paper, make sure you are overlapping some of a piece previously applied. This will help make sure that you cover all of the poster board. When your letter is wet, it has some squishiness to it because the poster board gets soggy. Be gentle. You don't want to create dents in your letter by pushing your finger too hard into it. Either when you are finished papier-mâchéing or when it is time to clean up, carefully carry your letter to one of the drying carts labeled with your class name. If one side of your letter is dry, that would be the best side to place downward on the cart. But if the entire letter is wet, you can let it dry any way you can get your letter to balance upright. As you've seen me do in this video, you will papier-mâché directly on your table surface. So when it is time to clean up, take a dry paper towel and wipe off all of the papier-mâché paste on your table. Please do not add water, it just makes the paste spread more. Put the lid back on your paste container and return it where you found it. Just remember to leave your table as you found it, clean and dry.